I have another 7 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's see what are these. The first one is Ethical Hacking Hands-on Training Part 1. So in this course you will be able to learn everything about ethical hacking and cyber security. The second course is here, Build Pro website from scratch with HTML, CSS and SASS. This course will help you to learn HTML, CSS and SASS with real-world project examples from scratch in this channel to become a professional front-end. The third course is Ethical Hacking Hands-on Training Part 2. Then fourth course is Ethical Hacking Capture the Flag Walkthrough V1. So it is the video and lab walkthrough for Capture the Flag exercise that will help strengthen your ethical hacking skills. The next one is Linux Server Administration made easy with hands-on training. So you will be able to know everything about Linux Server Administration, a step-by-step installation and configuration guide from Linux Fedora Server Workstation. Next course is Practical Web Design and Development 7 courses in 1. So in this course you'll be able to be master in practical web design and development using Photoshop, HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap and more. So you can do these 7 free certification courses from Udemy right now. All the courses have 2 days left at this coupon, so you can do this within 2 days. Check the video description to get the link of all of these free certification courses.